A coordinate grid is shown below. You have F, G, K, and M and T and J, then that's 6 of them. Great. They want to know which 2 points on the coordinate grid have the same y coordinate. Remember, a coordinate is given to you as an x and a y. So the number after the comma is your y value. So I need the ones that have the same exact y value. Well, that happens twice. 6 has no other y value like it, get rid of it. 4 and this 4 are the same y value. So G and J are an option. K, there's no y value of 2, so K is not an option. But M and T both have 0 as y values. So my 2 possible answers are G and J or M and T. So let's see if I have either of those. G and K, nope. J and M, nope. G and J, yup. F and T, nope. So even though there were 2 possible options, the only one that works for me is C, so C is the one that I circle.